Hello viewers, you may have remembered I bought this transformer a while ago, and it has a broken high voltage insulator. And basically how it went is the company that manufactured this transformer, I went to them and they said I'd have to go to a supplier, but they would sell me the insulator, their vendor, whatever, their local distributor. They told me they don't sell to anyone but utility companies, so I went back to them and said that, and they said, well, you can ship it to our plant across the country and we can repair it. So I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. But I got caught up with this patent filing. As you can see, all the freaking papers in the back. I'm very happy that's over with. It's a huge mess, but I've been going through my high voltage collection. Got some massive stacker insulators, 34.5 kV. But anyway, back to this. I will get this insulator, definitely. But for now, I've ordered another transformer. I think we need to go pick it up. Yeah, I could push it forward. There's only a couple 100 pounds. Alright. Well, I finally got it here. The most difficult part was backing this vehicle into the garage. As you can see, there's not much clearance on either side, but I got it in here just to keep myself out of the rain. As you can see, got pretty wet on the way back from the FedEx station, but if you've watched how it's made and how they make these, they submerge them in water for testing. So, and of course the flash on my phone is not going to work, even though I have it turned on. About 7,200 pounds, and it says the weight is 280 pounds. So I don't know if I'm probably not going to be able to lift this up out by myself, but I guess I have some tools that could help. I ordered this from the factory, and very easy. I'm surprised the transformer that I have now, they wanted all this ridiculous work just to have the replacement insulator ordered. But that's basically it. Now, just like the other transformer, I'm not going to be able to take it out without taking it off its pallet. Not pretty sad, but yes, it has to be done. It'd be nice to keep it on the pallet, but it's going to come off anyway. So, but now that the flash is working, there's all the information. So I had this custom ordered, brand new. It's really small compared to the other one that I have. About probably the third of the size. But now just to cut these bands off. It's under some tension, I guess. Well, I got it out. Use the same method as last time. Use the ratchet straps with the handle of the dolly as a pulley and levered it out. Only thought I was going to drop it once, but it's not too bad. Now the question is, am I going to find the strength in me to lift it up these stairs I think I should be able to, believe it or not. Um, I do believe this one is 280 pounds. The 15 kVA one, that weight's probably wrong. That's probably just the core and the tank without the oil, because this only has 5 gallons of oil in it. My camera decided to shut off, but I used a towel to cushion the transformer between the dolly. The paint on it is still tacky, so let me just see if I can carry it. So here's the setup. 120 volts, half power coming in, ballasted to only 1800 watts. This is the biggest load I'm going to put on this transformer while it's connected to my house. I plan on buying a whole house generator, because the high voltage and the low voltage are tied together electrically, indicated by the single bushing on top, because the other end is sent to the tank ground inside, and these do have the potential to send back a high voltage spike, and God forbid I damaged my neighbor's equipment, because everyone in my neighborhood is fed off the same 25 kVA transformer. But if you're wondering where you can buy one of these, go on Solomon.com. I was referred to them, and I contacted them saying, you know, I'm just a hobbyist, what would be about the cheapest transformer you could build, and this was it. And it's pretty awesome. There's the specifications. "5 kVA, 100 or 12,470, 7200 volt, 12240. Weight 280 pounds. 5 gallons of oil. The impedance is 1.07. So this will put out approximately, if I'm not wrong, about a couple hundred amps of short circuit current. That one's 2000 amps if you short out the low voltage terminals. But now you're going to get, I guess, on the tripod, otherwise I can power this up for the first time. Let's see if I can pull off just a little arc off that high voltage wire. Everything should be connected up. I'm going to be putting on 7500 volt safety electrical gloves with a long chicken stick, because this power will certainly kill you. Make sure my dogs don't come in here. And power it up. Ooh. She's vibrating the whole room. Holy crap. Alright, one arc. Popped circuit breaker immediately. Wow. That's powerful. Even with the ballast. And my camera keeps cutting out recording, but it pulled about 83 amps off the mains. That's because there was no ballast on it. Tripped the breaker immediately. So let me try this again. Still doing its nice humming. And that wire is glowing hot. Very nice. De-energize and just short circuit once again to make sure that there is no residual charge in that. It sounds like a Mott with a capacitor. It is pretty badass. Now I think the only thing I should do now is blow something up with it. Okay, we got a stupid clicker, which, you know, professors that are too lazy to take attendance make you buy, and all it really is a RFID chip inside that transmits to a collector module. Make me spend $70 on this complete piece of shit. I think the best way to christen this transformer would be to blow this thing up. Ah, it's made a fucking mess! Ah, look at all that. Well, I'm quite satisfied with that. I just want to pull off some more arcs. That clicker made quite a freaking mess. That's going to take a day to clean up. It's everywhere. But the fun must continue, I guess. She's still grumbling. It's amazing. You can, when you're standing on the floor, you can feel it grumble. So awesome. That's only 1800 watts. It'll do that all day, easy. Way more than that all day also. Amazing. And I'm going to go look around for some various light bulbs and other electronics to do some experiments with. Here's an old incandescent lamp. See if I can get that focus perfect. See if we can make a plasma ball out of it. Wow. Look at that, I'm arcing off the wood of the table. That's insane. Here's a nasty, cheap Chinese car adapter, transforming the 12 volts down to about 5 volts or something, I don't know. Something is already buzzing in there. Nothing spectacular. I think the voltage is so high that it just jumps across all the connections. See if that cable can break down. Ooh, listen to that. See, but the table is still conductive, which I don't understand that completely. Actually, yeah, I do. You can't see it on camera, but the 7200 volt line coming off the insulator is touching the table. try something else. Now to measure the voltage. This is my old multimeter from about 2003. I burned it up trying to measure ohms on a live 480 volt transformer. So maybe I should just burn it up some more. Something is not too happy in there. I'm going to connect the meter to ground and then just let it sit for a few minutes to see what is going on. Alright, plugging it in. That was quite nice. I like that. Crappy CFL driver. CFLs are the biggest insult to mankind ever created. Is that all? And it's gone short circuit. Unfortunately, this 1800 watt ballast does not allow for enough current to melt the circuit tracks, but when I get a whole house generator, certainly it might be enough.